So many times your Alexa will not respond. It will seem like it's dead. You can tell it's responding right now because I just reset it. So what you can do if it won't respond, and these ball echoes seem to respond less accurately than some of the other ones, but this one I've had to reset numerous times, and sometimes if I just want it to work again, I will unplug the cord, wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in, and that too will fix it. So you can try that as well, at least in my experience. But what you need to do is you need to see this button right here, the round one, not this one over here, but this round one here, and you hold it down. But before we start this, I want you to get your Alexa app up and running. So it's open and ready, and it will show up in your app that it's starting up, and you can finish setting it up through there. So what we'll do is we'll just hold this button down. Takes about a half a minute, and it'll make a noise.
Now in setup mode.
Okay, we go past
Follow
setup
the instructions in your Alexa app.
We're going to keep holding it down, keep holding it down, keep holding it down, and eventually, sometimes it might take half a minute or a minute, it will come back and start
resetting your device. This will take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done.
Okay, so now it's resetting. It will come back up when it's ready. But you don't need to do anything else unless it doesn't work. So try that. If it doesn't work, then you can go right into your setup on your Alexa app on your phone. So we should be getting pretty close. There we go. So we've got the blue light. Oh, I guess we had the orange light just in setup mode. So we've got the blue light going around in circles. Then it will speak and tell you something. Just keep waiting. It's still doing the blue circles along the bottom. Now it's turned to orange. A little bit of music.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola. Vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour. Votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Spanish, French. Now, what mine did last time, it went through all that and said it was ready for setup mode, or it was in setup mode, but after I just left it, it came back and just connected to the same router that I had before. I started up the Alexa app, and it recognized that this was being reset, and so it said ready for setup, and I clicked on a button that said agree and continue, and then it went out. Took probably 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and it went and found the Wi-Fi, started connecting to the Wi-Fi, and now it should be connected. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 4:32 p.m.
Okay, so that's what you need to do. Push and hold this for 30 seconds or until it says it's resetting. While it's resetting, you can turn on your Alexa app and wait for it to come back. As soon as it goes through its iterations and says it's ready for setup and does the language introduction, then it will appear on your Alexa app. You can agree and continue, and then it will find your Wi-Fi and it will complete the setup. If it doesn't find the Wi-Fi, you'll have to go in and select the Wi-Fi you want, and if need be, give it a password. But that should take care of setting it up, and hope you like that. Give me a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.